Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Raising Things. This is an open invite collaboration for a fun and festive Easter collab. The name of it is Silly Rabbit Easter's for Jesus. This will help everybody be supportive to help everybody grow and have some fun for spring. Our hosts are me at Buckeye Girls Reason Things, Geri at A Happy Hoarder, Anne at the Grace Life DIY, Penny at Penny's Place, Courtney at Amethyst Adventures, Mable at Mable's Tables, and Deborah at Deborah Cabassa's Home Living. Do whatever's best for your channel, whatever's best for your niche. Just keep it Christ-centered and have fun. Subscribe to our channels, watch the videos full, click like, and please comment because we love to hear from you. That is the rules. The hashtag is Silly Rabbit. I hope you join. I know it's going to be a lot of fun, and hope you're all having a decent day. Talk to you later. Bye.